so talented.
Such a difference maker, Brian, is coming up for Harley Cameron. We could see new champions crowned. Harley slips behind.
Oh! That's her finishing move! But she makes a tag!
As Willow the